Tell me about them.
This is my new baby. That was her. And this is my new dog.
I want to take off her lights so you're kind of...
This is Christmas morning, 94. We would have gotten more of it, but I don't know how to work this damn thing. Baby likes Daddy? Spaghetti? You're pretty happy about your gifts, aren't you, Lucy?
You got cereal on your nose.
Tell me what you think of your gifts, Lucy.
Wonderful.
She just doesn't shut up, does she? Bato?
Would you read the directions to me about this girl?
Sure I will.